MCX IPF presents Commodities Trade.
There's a lot of analysis on demand and supply going around for second half of 2021 on whether the commodity trade will repeat the phenomenal performance of first half when we saw metals, crude, soft commodities make multi-year highs. Let's first take a look at what the metal prices have done up till now. We have seen all-time highs in tin, multi-year highs in aluminum, copper and nickel. We have seen double-digit gains come in for many of these metal prices. Let's also take a look at the supporting factors then. There has been a decline in metal surplus. Many metal supplies are now in deficit and the exchange inventories are on a decline. Rise in premium indicates improving demand in the spot market. In all possibility, the easy money policies will continue for the rest of 2021, keeping the markets liquid. The ramp-up in vaccinations also support demand outlook with consumers, and the supply situation is yet to catch up post the COVID-led lockdown disruptions. And the major support comes from EV adoption, green energy, infrastructure subsidies. And that presents the most bullish scenario for the metals, as suggested by a report from Wood Mackenzie, which estimated demand growth from EV segment for metals by 2030, suggesting 29% increase in aluminum demand, 65% for nickel, and a huge 85% for copper. Among other metals also, the dizzying levels of additional metals that will feed energy transition over the next 20 years will present obvious challenges of supply for producers and consumers alike. And it is this future demand estimates that the markets are working in the prices right now. And that can change given the many uncertainties that the sector is dealing with right now. There already is a talk of tapering and interest rate hikes from various global central banks, even as it may be in the second half of next year. The prices have come off its highs as China deploys measures to curb rising commodity prices as it started hurting the manufacturing margins. Also, the slowing China demand may lead to increase in exports. The other important factor that the market is ready for higher demand. This isn't sudden or now, and the supply disruptions are now easing from existing mines and the new projects are being commissioned.
MCX IPF presents Commodities Trade.
Brought to you by MCX IPF.